Millside. So this is a quick introductory video into who we are, what we're supplying and how we can help you as a home brewer or home distiller. So you may have noticed on the website, KegLand coming to South Africa soon. So I'm happy to tell you the first shipment arrives now on the 12th. We will be open for pre-order soon, and hopefully we'll be able to supply you what you're looking for. The range is vast. We won't be bringing the entire range in on this shipment. We will be bringing in more products throughout the year on different shipments. If there's something specific you're looking for and you don't see it or we don't have it on the cart, please drop me a mail. I'll be able to bring it in directly, or I'll add it to the next shipment for you. In front of you is just a small array of some of the products on the shop at the moment. Everything from the easy brew system, yeast, treacles, all sorts of malts, inner stave, maturation woods, etc. So we've chosen to go with a higher end range of products, specifically because we didn't want one size fits all. So as example, yeast. We wanted yeast that will be specific for specific applications. So if you're making a whiskey or a vodka or rum or brandy, you can choose from an array of different yeasts to give you different profiles. You don't necessarily have to purchase in these bulk formats. Let us know, we can pack in smaller sizes and ship it out to you. Things like hops, we're keeping a fair range of hops. You can choose, again, smaller sizes. Doesn't have to be the big 2.5 kilo bags. Same with the Simpson's malts. We're keeping a fairly wide range of malts, as well as big stock of peated, pot still and distilling malts. So you can order, we'll crush it and send it out to you as well. So in terms of the stills and the distilling equipment, one of the delays we had was with SARS. So we wanted to be fully compliant and legal, and that meant obviously getting the appropriate licensing from SARS. This process has taken more than a year now, but I'm happy to say Millside is now finally legal for the import, export and manufacture of alcohol stills. One of, I can tell you, only a few companies in the country. So the reason we wanted that is so that if you as a client come in and you buy a still from us, you can be guaranteed that that still is safe, it's been tested, it's not just imported and you have no clue whether that still is safe to use. If you don't see what you're looking for on the cart, give me a mail. All of these products are manufactured in-house using quality hygienic tubing, 304, 316 stainless, and we can make those items up for you. The payment system is using PayFast, so once you've chosen your product, click on the payment link, it'll take you to PayFast. You can make a secure payment there. We'll courier it out to you the next day or the following day, and that's using Courier Guide. If there's any information you need or you want to query anything, it's info@millside.co.za. You can drop us a mail there, we'll respond to you there, or you can give us a call. Sometimes it's nice to talk to somebody. If there's anything else you'd like to know and you don't see it on the website, again, just drop us that mail. So we look forward to hearing from you. If there's anything, get hold of us, and we look forward to your support.